Welcome to Guangzhou Red Sunshine Company Limited, an industry leader in hand protection solutions. With more than 10 years of global experience, we are proud to introduce our newly built, state-of-the-art factory and production lines. Located in Handan City, Hebei Province, our self-owned facility covers 30,000 square meters, featuring advanced automated production lines and world-class logistics. 3 fully automated lines, staffed by 80 skilled professionals, ensure a daily capacity of over 160,000 pairs of gloves. We specialize in household and industrial rubber gloves, nitrile gloves, PVC gloves, and disposable gloves, all crafted with a dedication to quality and consistency. Our professional foreign trade team delivers to more than 50 countries, supporting partners worldwide. Our vertically integrated supply chain enhances both production efficiency and responsiveness to market needs, offering ODM and OEM support for diverse client demands. At Guangzhou Red Sunshine, our vision is to focus on hand protection and achieve sustainable development. Our mission is to guard your safety and health, support employee happiness, customer development, and build a better society. We value gratitude, altruism, practicality, and hard work. We believe sincerity is the only path to long-term partnerships. Contact Guangzhou Red Sunshine Company Limited now for free product samples. Experience how our integrated supply chain and advanced new facility can boost your brand's competitiveness in medical, industrial, and retail markets. Let us build a partnership where your success becomes our shared legacy.